What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Joe. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to mount your skateboards on your wall, just like I have here in the back. So some of the things that you'll need for this project are: 1, a drill; 2, a drill bit to match your drywall anchors; obviously a set of I use Skateology, and I'll post a picture here somewhere. I use Skateology skateboard mounts. That's what I use, but you can use whatever brand you choose to use. But you'll need those. And also you'll need a drill, right? First thing I said, but you definitely will need a drill for this. You'll see in the video, I had some issues where I had to drill holes where the trucks go to make them a little bit bigger, just to let them fit the mount. So yeah, let's get right into it. First thing you want to do is get your measurements for obviously how far you want to space them out. So I'm going to mount mine over top of my bed, so I want them evenly spaced across the top of my bed, and my bed is centered to the wall. So that's 63 inches. So I already did the math, and I get about 15 inches in between each from board to board. But that's gonna be from, if I want to get an even space, because each board, just by the side of the board, I want to do 15 inches from here to board to board to board, like that. But in order to get it perfectly right, I'm just gonna mount one board on this side, one board on that side, and then I'll do the middle boards at the end. Next thing you want to do is you want to get a drill bit that is the size of this drywall hook, right? So, or smaller, a little bit smaller than drywall hook, so this can go in. So I do have that drill bit here. Then I have this. So I need to make my mark on where I want it. So it's good to do that there. Then I put my drywall hook in. What I do, I don't have a hammer, so I'm just gonna use the bottom of my Next thing I want to do is I have my skateboard mount. So it comes with the screw facing this way. You want to flip it and have the screw facing that way, and I'll just screw it in from there. All right, so I have the first hook in here, or the first mount in here. So the next thing I want to do is I want to put my board on the actual mount. I'll take those off, put the boards up. All right, so I'm gonna put this, I changed boards so y'all see that. I had to drill into the boards to make the holes bigger. This one already had them. It was good. Messed this board up, but lesson learned. I just had to drill through this side instead of drilling through this side. I don't know why I didn't do that in the first place. But anyway, I'm going to hang up the next one, and I think I'm gonna use a slightly bigger drill bit to drill my hole for the anchor. One thing I did notice that these come with are these spacers. So Didn't know what to do with them at first, but my sister helped me out and she said it looks like they just go at the bottom of the deck to evenly space them from the wall. So I'm just gonna put these in right now. And it's like super simple. All you do is stick them in and you're good to go. You don't have to. And there you have it, 4 somewhat perfectly mounted skateboards.